I don't know if you can see that retaining ring inside there. Yeah, no, you can't. Anyways, it's just a little centering ring that the gasket sits around, and it has 3 bolts that bolt it, or four bolts that bolt it onto the hot plate. I had to loosen those to drop this boiler down a little, that tank, or that drum tank, or whatever I call it, the chamber, that heat chamber. Had to drop it down a little bit to try to get this other stuff lined up. So once I had this plate, or this box back on here, I just took the level. Why isn't this thing focusing? Yeah, I took the level, put it on the plate here, adjusted the screw down here at the back to tip it up, to adjust the screw on the side here to tip it that way, so it's level this way, and also measured between here and the casing, that's about 2.5, that's about 2.5, that's about 2.5, because that's what that plate there goes in between these 2 boxes. So you don't line up all this stuff as a dry fit beforehand, and you start assembling this without making sure you know where everything goes, you're going to be screwed. So anyways, that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to start putting the back on, and then I'll pull the front off and start. You have to stuff all the insulation. I think it's the rock wool in the bottom where the vermiculite won't go. Underneath there, underneath here, underneath the oven, and in the little couple of spots back in there where you know that vermiculite won't fall. Once you have it 90% put together with both ovens on, this stuff on, then you pour that vermiculite in, and it starts falling down into the openings around the casing here. So it'll go between the outside wall and here, it'll go down in here, vermiculite will drop in there, but I still got to pack some insulation and gaskets around this stuff in here, and then this here will also be all vermiculite. But that's the tank area back here. For if you go with a water tank, it touches up against here, and then those outlets there are where the lines go out for the hot and cold, which seems to be a pretty efficient way to operate this unit. So you can use it both as a heat source and a hot water source, and it's probably pretty versatile, but you gotta have patience with it.